Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Yes, I am indeed still alive. I haven't been posting anything for the last couple of weeks because honestly I just was not doing great. As we know, these times are kind of crazy, right? It's just kind of a weird time and suddenly I just got like overwhelmed. I don't know what it was, but I felt very sad. I didn't have any energy. I just wanted to lay in bed and basically do nothing and cry about my life. And just like the thought of filming a video, it honestly just stressed me out so much. So I decided to take a little break and kind of get my energy back, get my positivity back, so I can then create some new content again. Because it's just sometimes you just need a little break, alright? And I've never really had that in my life before. So it was kind of weird that I needed it, but I apparently really did, and I took a break and I'm feeling much better now. So yippee da hoopee. So in today's bleaching video, I am finally going to answer the most common question I get on my bleaching videos. Well, not the most common, because the most common is probably why the fuck do you keep doing this to yourself? But the second most asked question, and that is, how do you do the back of your head without any help? So that is what I'm going to show you today. It actually is a very easy question to answer, but I'm still going to make an entire video out of it because I need some content. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to section my hair off. Because you know that's kind of what you're supposed to do when you do stuff to your hair. And my hair looks very fluffy right now because I washed it yesterday, even though you're not supposed to wash it a few days before you bleach it, but apparently I thrive on making bad decisions, so I did it anyways. My hair looks so bad after I brush it. Oh god. First thing, section my hair off. And I'm kind of starting the section like pretty far in the back because I don't like to do the back of my head. So I try to make this section as small as possible, but still I want to be able to see the front, you know, so I kind of do it around here, I think. Because this part I can still kind of see from the front. So make this into a section. So now that I have made my sections, it is time to show you all my magic trick. So let me just grab it for a moment. Also, yeah, I am floor gang. Ooh, it's so dirty. Oh. Wait, let me clean my magic trick first. Cleaning mirrors is literally so difficult to do, but okay. Hey, it's my magic trick! Oh, shit. Well, you can't see it. So yeah, it may not look like it right now, but I am actually sitting in front of a mirror. Because look. Bloop! I'm actually right here. Oh, bitches. Oh shit. Yeah, I've spent a lot of time today trying to clean this mirror because I did not want you all to look at my dirty mirror stains. So yeah, this is a mirror and this is a mirror. And if you look in this mirror, you can see the reflection of my head in the other mirror. It is literally that easy. That is just all I do. I just put two mirrors in front of each other so I can see the reflection of the back of my head in the other mirror. I mean, I could literally just stop the video right here because this is basically all the information that you need. However, it is very hard and annoying to bleach the back of my head, so I feel like you all probably want to see me struggle, so I'm just going to show you anyways. So I got my bleach over here, and every time I bleach my hair, I always make two different batches. First I make like the one for like the back of my head. Well, that's not true because normally I always start from the front of my head, but apparently that is not something you're supposed to do. You're always supposed to start from the back because the front is like thinner and it develops faster. So basically what I've been doing for years is ruining the front section of my hair, which is probably why all my hairs started to break off, because they were done with my shit. But yeah, every time you bleach your hair, make 2 different batches, one for the back and one for the front, because honestly it takes a while to do the back of your head. So if you're like done with this and then use the same bleach on the front of your head, chances are that like it's not gonna work as good because it's already been like developing in the bowl, you know. I don't know, just make 2 batches, okay? It's easier. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to make another section. I'm just going to split this back section in half, as you can see, down through the middle. I'm just going to start bleaching this part of my hair, because if I look in the mirror this way, I can see this part, but I can't see that part. So I first do this side, and then I switch my mirror onto the other side, so I can do the other side. So I can actually like see what I'm doing, because that is very important when bleaching your hair. Put it on there. Oh shit. And on over here. As you can see. Oh my god. Are you okay? And then on top. And then I'm going to do the middle section in the back. Basically I'm just making an outline, you know, because that's just gonna make it easier. Oh, okay, so the outline is done, and now I'm just going to start from here and I'll work my way downwards. Yeah, it's honestly not that interesting. Up, 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 up. And then the back of that section. And then what I do is I get some tin foil, put it on here, and then drop this part on there. Because otherwise I'm just gonna bleach the other part of my hair that I don't want to be bleached yet. I'm gonna continue doing this for my entire head. And yeah, it is a very tedious, annoying and difficult job to do. That's why I never film it. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-bum, ba-bum. Yay! Honestly, look. I look like a crazy conspiracy theorist with my tinfoil head right now. But yeah, this is just what I do. I just put some bleach on my head. I use a lot of bleach. And not only because I have very thick hair, even though I have been ruining it ever since I was 14 years old. But also, you should really just like lather your hair with bleach, because a lot of times when I see people bleach their hair, they use like a teeny tiny amount and it just dries out and just stops working. So I always use a lot of bleach on my hair, because it just gives the best results. So yeah, why not? Huh? Why not? I am obviously not a professional, as you can see by my look right now. So if you do any of the things that I tell you to do, please know that it is at your own risk. Because I don't want to be held accountable for your hair mistakes, okay? Just so we're clear. I don't want to get a lawsuit or something. Also, don't forget to bleach your neck hairs if you're a hairy monster like me, because having bleached hair and like darker neck hairs is... I don't think that's the look that you're going for, so keep in mind to bleach those too. Oops. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit, 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 shit! First half of the back of my head is done. Oh, so let me just get this side out. Put this side, clip it away. And then put this side down, and I accidentally put bleach on the ends of my hair, which is not supposed to happen because it's already breaking off. And then I'm just going to scoop the mirror onto the other side. Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see that? No. Wait, what? Like this, okay. And then like this. Doing everything in the mirror is so difficult. This side is so much harder. Like I keep getting confused by the mirror. Maybe I should just do it like this. And then So the back of my head is covered in bleach. So now the time has come to break off my broken hairs even more than they already are. Why? FYI, there is this one thing that I always do that you're actually not supposed to do when you bleach your hair, and that is I always just smack it onto my scalp. But actually when you bleach your hair, you're supposed to keep like a tiny space between the bleach and your scalp to, you know, prevent your scalp from falling off. It's just, that's just too much work for me, okay? So I'm not gonna do that. I've been looking sideways for so long now that it's literally making me dizzy. Oh, well, let me just take time to calibrate my eyes again. Ooh, shit. So, I am finally done with my entire head, and it's starting to itch right now because I shouldn't have washed my hair yesterday. So I'm just gonna chill for a moment and then rinse it out, and then I'll show you all what the end result is. Wow, exciting stuff, because you've never seen me do this before. What to do? Okay. Bye! Hello everybody and welcome to my freshly bleached hair! Oh my god, my hair looks so crazy right now. It is literally so many different colors, but look how light my hair got. Oh my god, it's actually insane. It's like, it's almost white. But yeah, this is my hair right now. Let me just take this thing out. Whee. I was hoping that like my roots and the ends of my hair would turn out to be the same color, but my roots have gotten way lighter. But I like it. It's cute. It is. I do think that I'm gonna have to get some of the orange out before I dye it, because look, this is still very orange. Very orange. Or more, my hair looks very yellow. Oh my god, look. I kinda think that my hair looks more yellow now than like orange or ginger, but okay. This was another bleaching video for you all, and this time a little bit more informative than my normal videos, because so many of you asked for it. Okay, let me show you the back of my head. I haven't really looked at it myself, so I hope it actually looks good, but okay. So this is the back of my head. Ooh. I hope this video was useful, especially right now because you can't really go to the hair salon. So if you need to dye or bleach your own hair at home, you now know how to do the back of your head. So yeah, everybody, I hope y'all like this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbsy up. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my YouTube and my TikTok if you do not follow me there yet. And I really hope to see you on my next video, where I'll be changing this hair color into a hopefully more beautiful hair color, because this is so crazy. This is a crazy color right now. I look like a banana. Okay, bye!